It's time to make charcuterie boards. It starts with rough lumber, maple and cherry, all cut to the right lengths. I sure was glad to be in my friend's warm wood shop this cold March day. Here I am using the jointer to flatten the edges so I can cut them on the table saw to all the right widths. Then I can glue them together. Lots of sawdust coming out of that machine. Enough time in a wood shop, and I need some fresh air. I figured this was a nice, well-deserved sunny day bike ride. Here all the pieces are laid out, ready for glue up. Gluing up isn't the most fun thing to do, but it has to be done. And luckily, these all went very well. The next day, it was time to chisel off the squeeze out and run these things through the planer. Very grateful for my friend Sean at BOJ Construction, who let me use his shop for the day. Thanks, Sean. Here I am back in my shop, ready to use the bandsaw to cut these things to their final shape. The bandsaw has always been one of my favorite tools. It's so versatile and not particularly scary, although still safety practices are necessary. It did take quite a while to cut all these corners round, and so I was quite glad that my friend Matthew was there to man the camera and keep me company. Ah, broken blade. Well, that happens. Guess I need to buy a new bandsaw blade. I have some other ones, there's different sizes. Setting up the bandsaw is not as fun as using the bandsaw. Extra special scroll saw blades. I guess so. Now I don't have to buy big scroll saw blades. You know what I could do? I could actually use the scroll saw to cut these boards with this blade. Or not. Alright, so since the bandsaw... I can't tell how loud I'm talking with those on. Since the bandsaw blade broke, I chopped it into a little piece here and installed it on the scroll saw. It's the biggest scroll saw blade I've ever used, but you know what? It works. Just finished another board. It's ready for sanding on the disc sander over there. With 6 outside corners per board and 12 boards to sand, that's 72 outside corners to sand on the disc sander. Next, it was time to put a bevel on the edges with the router table, and that was kind of a fun step that didn't take too long. To do the inside corners, I picked up a set of spindle sanders from the local Windsor Plywood that I work at. As for sanding, let me just say, I sure am glad I made the decision to upgrade my orbital sander after this project. This old Ryobi had run its course.
Ah! Get off me! Get off me!
That's pretty good. Yeah. Nice. Thank you Multi Pack Deli of Chilliwack, British Columbia for commissioning this project. And thank you for watching.